Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll see how to make a mid-length harem. For this I am using a mold. It's a Ganesha pendant mold. After removing the excess clay, I am going to highlight the details using the tools. Now I am going to attach 12 to 13 hanging beads in the bottom. So the pendant is ready. Now we'll go for making beads. For this I have taken a mold which resembles the face of Ganesha. While using mold, it is very important to highlight the borders. While making such harem with beads, we should make sure that all the bead holes are in the same line so that the final alignment will be proper. So here the pendant and beads are ready and let it dry. Now we'll go for making the jhumkas. So now the jhumka is ready, and for the start part I am going to use the same mold which I have used for the bead. So once the earrings, beads, pendant, everything is ready, we can let it dry for 3 to 4 days and then we can bake it. This is how it looks after baking. So the paint which I'm going to use is antique gold and medium magenta. So after painting, for each and every bead I'm highlighting the borders with black. For assembling, I've made a separate video. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. So this is how it looks after assembling. Hope you all like the video. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. To shop this product, you can WhatsApp to the given number. Visit my Instagram and Facebook page for more collections. Thanks for watching.